we are back here with a Supreme Jordan 14 white. Let's go over the shoe here. So you have a typical Jordan 14 design right here. The only thing that's different about this one is just check out these stamped stones around the side, the back ankle area, inside. This is the only difference with this Supreme collab, is that they have all these silver stones everywhere. People say this is one of the most ugliest Jordans, but I don't think it's that ugly. It's just that it just doesn't look that good. But I would say that the white pair is definitely more attractive than the black pair. I love the contrast of the black and the white and the red throughout the shoe. It's just more clear. So yeah, let's go over the shoe here. Supreme Jordan tag. Nice. I actually like this tag. Back, just a plain Jordan logo on here. Extra set of black laces. Jordan typical 14 tongue right here. A little soft, long tongue. Supreme on the top tip in red. 14 in Roman numerals in the back. Red Jordan embroidery in the toe here. Nice, man. Letter throughout the whole white part right on the shoe. Another interesting little touch that they got for this one. They got this little Supreme Jordan logo right down here. It's on both shoes. Tiny ass Supreme box logo on it. And let's go to the back. Okay, the back's not that bad. You have a box logo, Jordan logo, and a 23 right below. This is like rubber. Some soft rubber material here. Bottom right here. Typical Jordan 14 bottom. And you have this silver part, the silver print here, I think it's carbon fiber. I'm actually not too sure. It's either like a hard plastic or a painted carbon fiber. But yeah, it's pretty hard material. With Jordan, red Jordan up here as well. Overall, these shoes are pretty ugly based on the general consensus. And if you are going to get this one, I would suggest going true to size. It fits as any other regular Jordans, any other regular Jordan 14s. And of course, before I forget, I just want to say that this is a 10.5 here. And it's also a woman's 12. So woman's 12, you go up 1.5 size. Yep, there we have it.